Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if your smartphone doesn't accept your lock screen PIN code. First of all, make sure that you were trying to enter your security PIN code that you set up yourself and not a SIM card PIN code, because these two are often mistaken for each other. And once you're aware of it, if you still cannot access your device, then the best solution would be to reach out to Realme customer support service and tell them about your issue. And in case you can prove the ownership of your device to them, for example by showing them a receipt or the maybe original box of your device to them, they'll be able to will most probably be willing to help you out with your problem, and will be able to help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from it. But in case this option is unavailable for you, you can still regain access to your device by performing a factory reset operation on your smartphone. Of course, this operation it will erase all data from your device, but still you will surely regain access to your smartphone. And there are two ways to perform it. You can do this both remotely and locally. I consider remote factory reset operation easier, therefore I'm gonna show you how to do this, how to do it first. So in order to perform factory reset operation remotely, you just have to use any device with internet connection on it. Open a web browser and enter Find Hub website on it, and once you enter it, sign into your Google account on this website, into your Google account that is linked with the smartphone. Of course, if you don't have a Google account set up on the smartphone, you will not be able to perform the factory reset operation this way. But if you do, then open the devices list by tapping right here, and on this devices list find your smartphone, tap on it, and then select factory reset operation. This option should be visible either on your devices page, or if you don't see it there, then just tap on the gear icon you probably see in the top right corner of your devices page, and then you'll immediately find factory reset button there. Once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again, and therefore will be able to use it again. And now, if you don't remember, if you cannot use this option, maybe you don't have a Google account set up on your phone, then the other way to perform a factory reset operation on your device is by entering the recovery mode. And if you need some help on your way with entering, managing, or anything else about recovery mode, we have an entire video on our channel titled How to Perform Factory Reset through Recovery Mode on this exact model. So if you need that video as a guidance, of course, go ahead and check it out. And now for this video, before I end it, first I want to mention one other possibility, which is that you do remember your PIN code. You do remember the PIN code that you used the last time to access your device, but your smartphone simply doesn't want to accept it. Maybe it's caused because of some third-party application that is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. In order to disable all applications in background, you have to open the safe mode on your smartphone, and to do that you just have to restart it by pressing the power button and the volume up key at the same time. Select restart, wait until your device turns off, and then wait until you see the Realme logo on your screen once again. Once you see it, start pressing and hold down the volume down key. So at this point you can start holding down the volume down button, and then just wait until your device vibrates. Once your device vibrates, you can release the volume down key and just wait for it to start. Okay, and once you enter the safe mode, you will be able to see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, what you have to do is enter your PIN code once again, and try to access your device. And just in case to succeed, swipe down the control panel, tap the gear icon at the top, let me do this one more time. Tap the gear icon at the top to open settings, and then find security and privacy section here. Go to device unlock, go to screen lock, re-enter your PIN code, and select none, and tap delete, and then just restart your phone. And once your phone is restarted, you'll be able to use it normally again. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.